Hey. Pretty good. Yes, I'll try this one. I'll take it. Oh, the seatbelt.
Oh, wow.
Wow. This is even more secure than the big one. Alright. Oh, really?
I don't know why the hell I'm trying to sit on.
Well, the Wacky Worms here have a little. There is a bit of a whipping action though on one part of the ride though.
Hey Jay, I'm Staple.
All right.
All time on the ride. Secure all those items. Don't forget to have fun, guys.
Yay.
Hand choppers!
Uh-oh. Oh no, the big
I better wash my head.
Jay, don't tell me you weren't tempted to try to cut.
I was.
You were tempted.
I was.
We're going up the 300-foot cliff.
Oh my God, it's so hard.
Into the airport.
Hey, wait a minute, Jay. Aren't you scared of wacky worms?
Yes.
Well, here comes the intense part though. Well, this part is like steel wheel. There you go. Oh, it's brakes.
All the brakes. There's a trim at the bottom of the drop.
There's a trim brake on the
What
side.
the hell?
One more time.
Hey, lateral, what do you know?
Do we get 3 times on this thing?
Just get 2.
2 times. Okay. Oh. I can't believe there's a trim on the tip.
Yeah, I know, right? Up, down, up, down, up, down.
The air time.
Oh no, the helix! Ah!
The helix of death.
Oh my God!
Oh no, no, no,
Okay, all right.
Hands up! Get your hands up! Hands up!
Alrighty. Yes, I did. Full VR 360. And a full 360 degrees.
that hurt. Come on. How you doing? That one hurt a little.
I know. I stapled myself. I